Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial. How to transfer your Shiba Inu, SHIB, tokens from Metamask to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to keep your assets safer offline, this is a must-know process. By the end of this video, you'll have your SHIB securely stored on your hardware wallet. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Metamask extension installed on your browser, some SHIB tokens in your Metamask wallet, and your Ledger Nano X device fully initialized and connected to your computer. Always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 security standards. Step 1. Open your Metamask wallet and ensure you're on the Ethereum network, since SHIB is an ERC20 token. Go to your Ledger Nano X, unlock it with your PIN, and open the Ethereum app on the device. Step 2. In Metamask, click on the three dots next to your account and select Connect Hardware Wallet. Choose Ledger and follow the prompts to connect via USB. Once connected, Metamask should detect your Ledger device. Step 3. Now, in Metamask, go to the Send tab. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer. Remember, SHIB has a lot of decimals, so be precise to avoid mistakes. For the recipient address, switch to your Ledger device and navigate to the Ethereum app to view your Ledger's address. Copy that address and paste it into Metamask as the recipient. Step 4. Double-check everything: the amount, the address, and the network. Hit Next, and confirm the transaction in Metamask. On your Ledger, you'll see a confirmation screen. Review it carefully and approve with the device buttons. Step 5. Sit tight while the transaction processes on the blockchain. This might take a minute or two, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app, and verify that your SHIB balance has updated. And there you have it. Your SHIB is now safely on your Ledger. Remember, always prioritize security. Never share your seed phrase and use strong passwords. If you run into any issues, check the official Ledger or Metamask support pages. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.